Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make to you a delicious Hasselback potatoes. I know you're going to love it, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We upload 3 delicious recipes every week. Okay guys, let's begin. You have to cut slits the potatoes, leaving the bottom intact. To give a good taste to our potatoes, we are going to use butter with fresh garlic, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, parsley, and salt. We have to mix all together before adding them to the potatoes. I'm using a medium Pyrex to bake our potatoes. Before putting it in the oven, I'm adding a little bit olive oil. It's time to bake our potatoes, guys. I'm going to let it cook for 30 minutes, but if you want, you can let it cook for more time. Look at this, guys. It's very tasty, juicy, and looks amazing. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.